Let me see, when was the last time I put out a YouTube video? Does that say a year? Wait a minute. Let me see, because it's been a year. Hi, yummies. Welcome, because we can't even say welcome back. Because I've been been missing, okay? Anywho, welcome to the Beautifully Whipped Bakery. I am Be Whipped. I'm just so happy to be back in front of the camera. I'm not gonna ramble in this intro because if you know from my last few videos, y'all know I like to ramble, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, let's get straight to it. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment because I am back full-time every day, 9 to 5, twice a month on the weekends. Okay. We in here. So without further ado, go ahead and get those ovens on reheat and let's get into this sweet beat. Brows are on just because I didn't want to prolong this video all day with them. Okay, lately I've been doing face first and it just seems to speed up the process like a lot, and I look we're doing today isn't anything hectic, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do face first. When we get to eyes, we'll chat, we'll catch up, where I've been, what's been going on, how y'all been, how 2020 was, how 21 is going, and all that good stuff. Face is about 85% complete. Let's move on to some shadows. I'm gonna be using this cute little pie palette from Glamlight. First of all, I love me some Glamlight. This came in the holiday foodie box. It looks like this inside. Some really cute little fall, winter time, honestly anytime colors and shades. I really like it. So I'm also going to be using the brushes, the candy cane brushes out that collection. Let's just see how they perform. This eye look is going to be really simple, just like a 1-2 number. The first shade that I'm going to use is Mud Pie. Y'all, my voice is trying to leave. It's Mud Pie, this dark brown shade. Been here, just really taking my time to really get my mental together, work on my physical, work on my health, work on my emotional, you know what I'm saying, just all of that. That's honestly where I've been. I've been posting here and there on Facebook and Instagram, but when it came to like sitting down in front of a camera to like actually film, it seems like I was always emotional when I would go to sit down and do, and I just didn't want to bring that energy to y'all, because believe it or not, you can feel someone's energy through a phone, through a camera, whatever the case may be. And I just wanted to be like my complete best when coming back to y'all. So that's honestly where I've been. You know, sometimes it takes a couple weeks, sometimes it takes a couple months. For me, It's taken, honestly, longer than the year that I've been gone, because I've been dealing and fighting with, you know, just my emotions and mental even before I started YouTube last year. So I'm in a much better and calmer and easier place now, and I'm just so thankful, you know, for having family and loved ones, my husband, the kids, you know, my little babies, you know, having them with me. So yeah, that's where I've been. Sweet, short, and simple where I've been. And then COVID hit, girl. Listen, Miss Rona came in this thing, honey, and she did not come to play fair with the kids. Miss Corona and Janae Mayana is here. If that's somebody's name, please forgive me. Please forgive me. But that's my name for Miss Rona, okay? AKA COVID. That is her name. I'm gonna go in with sweet potato. This shade here, just to blend out that brown a little bit. Everybody is doing well. Everybody is doing safe. That y'all are taking care of yourselves. Make sure you're wearing your mask. You know, if not you wearing it for yourself, wear it for others. Be considerate and wear it for others, okay? And honestly, okay, let's just go ahead and tell the truth. The quicker the people sit down, get somewhere and sit down and stop being out without mask and all this, that, and the other, the quicker we might can get a hold on Miss Rona. I'm just saying. That blended out so well. Glam Light really has some top-notch shadows. Their shadows are super nice. I'm excited to be back though. Sitting down in front of the camera. On the lid, I'm gonna put Peach. Oh, that shade is really pretty. I hope it's picking up. Okay, those look good. Eyes are done. They were really that simple. Let's finish off this face. Let's finish it. Let's go into bronzing. So for bronzers, these are the Revolution Glow matte bronzers. I have them in medium and dark. I'm gonna be mixing the two because dark is a little too dark and medium is like a little just tad light. So I'm gonna mix them both. I just go back and forth between them, and we're gonna bronze. These smell so doggone good. Y'all, I've been living for this Crayon case blush binder. It's like 3 pages of blushes. They are really pretty. And when I say pigment, sweetheart, they have pigment, sweetheart. They have pigment, okay? I think I'm gonna use this shade here, if I can show it to y'all. This one here, just for a little bit of flush to the skin, just the smallest amount of flush. Cause y'all know the girls love blush. The girls being me, okay? Oh, that blush. Yes, Crayon case, yes. I'm gonna go throw some lashes on, and we'll be back. Are on. We got into something a little bit better looking, okay? For a lip, we're going to do a nude lip because what else would we do? Like, what else? For my lips, for my nude lip, I'm going to be using this the same liner that I used to line my waterline, because it's actually a lip liner, okay? Again, it's from Ruby Kisses and it's in dark brown. And then I'm gonna be using this gloss by Beauté with a Wink by my good girl Miss Lulu Rock, and it's in the shade Naked. I forgot to spray my face. We'll do it after that. Is the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Fixing Spray with a hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This is our look. It turned out so good. It just felt good. Okay, to sit down, record, just talk to y'all and get it out. Thank you so much for everybody that checked on me throughout this time, you know, just sent me well wishes and everything. I really do appreciate it, and none of it goes unnoticed. I promise you it doesn't. Listen, but we are back. So I hope y'all are still like in that go mode to be on this journey with me, to be on this YouTube trek with me, because I'm here and I'm staying here for good. Okay, so until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and wear your mask. If not for you, wear it for the next person. Wear your mask, okay? We still in the middle of Miss Rona out there running amok, so wear your mask, okay? All right, don't be good out there. I love y'all.